Hello everyone. In previous video, we have seen how to install the Citrix session recording server. So today, in this video, we are going to install the Citrix recording agent in one of the VDA. So this is our virtual desktop server. So this is our delivery group DG. From DG, we have published one desktop. So for that desktop, we are going to record the end user session. So for that we need to install the session recording agent on this machine. So before that, let me go to session recording server. So this is the session recording server. So before installing that agent, we need to configure this server. Some basic configuration, let me show you. First we need to enroll the certificate. So request new certificate. Okay, certification enrollment are done. Now go to IAS. We need to bind the certificate to 443. Bindings. Okay, just restart it. Okay, now go to agent. So we are going to install the session recording agent on this machine. Click the session recording option here. So uncheck this option. So enter the session recording server address here. Okay, click next. Also for this machine, just import the certificate. I think already it's done. Yes, already I have imported a certificate for other purpose. Okay, okay, this has been installed. So click finish. Okay, now just go to session recording server. open session recording server properties. So we need to configure. So by default the recording files will be stored under this location. If we have any shared location, you can add this path here, but I'm going to use the default location. And also for, this is for suppose if you archive any session recording thing, so it will be stored under this location. If you want, you can change the path also, but I am going with the default now. So signing, so we need to mention the certificate here, so click OK, then this leave it. So we need to check the box, all the boxes here, so that the additional features will be applied on the session recording server. So you can see the what is the use of this option. This option is permits the playback of the session recording while recording is still in progress. So notification, so when the end user launch the virtual desktop, the once they launched, the recording will be start, right? So user will get this message. If we want to customize any message, so you can do it, but I am going with the default now. This is for Citrix program, though I'm checking. So this is logging. So if you want to enable the logging service, you need to enable it. Suppose if you want to block something, so if you enable this one, so it will block it. So this is, we need to check this one, allow configure recording viewing policy. So if you uncheck this one, then suppose you can't give the access to the end user to view the recording. So if you want to give any user to view the recording file, so we need to select this option. So this is for email. Like if you have the SMTP server, we need to configure so that once the end user session recorded, so user will get the notification over the email. So I'm not going to configure it since we don't have the Exchange server things. So this is Cloud DB, so we are not going to use this option. Next, actually this if you enable this option, so end user by using the URL of the session recording server, they can access the recorded file. So I'm checking here so that end user can see their recorded session over the web browser. If you give the access to the end user, just click apply now for the session recording server configuration. Done now. So and then just go to policy console. So this is our session recording server, so just connect. So by default it should not record any end user sessions. Okay, so we are going to use this first option with the notification. The Citrix session recording server is going to record the end user session. So just activate policy. Okay, now we have activated the record entire session for everyone with the notification. Apply this policy to record the end user session. Now just go to Citrix page and try to access the desktop, then we'll see the session is recording or not. Just launch the desktop. So user should get the notification once the session has launched. So now the Citrix session recording server is recording this end user entire session. So you are getting the pop-up. Your activity with the desktop or program you recently started is being recorded. If you object this condition, close the desktop or programs. So it seems our session recording server is capturing the end user session. Okay, thank you. In next video I will show you how to view this recorded file from the session recording player. Thank you.